Today is day 10, Spatial Postpositions. Today's lesson will use some of the things from our day 9 lesson, which was about case markers. If you haven't understood them, be sure to rewatch the video again. In this lesson, we will learn how to describe the place of an object or where we are doing an action. Don't forget to download the cheat sheet for this lesson by visiting the link in the description below. We've come a long way since day 1. Do you like this video course series? Would you like to support Turkishaholic? Then why don't you become a supporter of Turkishaholic? You can learn more about being a supporter by visiting the link in the video description. Also, supporter members can do the exercises for this lesson, and the link is in the video description below. After this lesson, can you make some sentences using the spatial postpositions you've learned from this lesson? Can you describe some things inside your room? I'll be waiting for your answers. Okay, let's start our lesson. We learned about the genitive case and the possessive marker in the earlier lessons. If you want to describe the position of a certain object or an action in relation to that object, you need to use a genitive-possessive compound structure. While the complement takes the genitive case, the postposition, words describing the position, take the possessive marker. Let's see the list of postpositions for this lesson. İç, üst, üzeri, yukarı, aşağı, alt, dış, ön, arka, yan, yakın, karşı, ara. Basically, if you want to say that something is somewhere, an example sentence will be like this. Top, arabanın altında. It is really important that you master the genitive case and the possessive topic before you continue with this lesson. If you haven't understood it enough, please go back to day 6 to review it. Let's see some more example sentences. Silgi kitabın altında. Çiçek vazonun içinde. Bizim evimiz sizin evinizin karşısında. Kedi nerede? Kedi arabanın üstünde. From these sentences, the object that is the center of focus is at the start of the sentence. There are also other ways to make such sentences. You can use var or yok, meaning is, are, or isn't, aren't, to indicate whether the object is present or not. Arabanın üstünde kedi var. Kitabın arasında kalemim yok. You can also include action verbs into these sentences. Kedi arabanın yanında ne yapıyor? Kedi arabanın yanında uyuyor. Güneş nerede? Evimizin üstünde, yukarısında. It is also possible to use the other case markers like the ablative case or the dative case for use with the postposition. Dolabın içinden dondurma aldı. Buzdolabın içine dondurma koydu.